Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Asim. I am working as DevOps engineer. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can monitor the AWS Aurora Postgres. So what I have done, I've already created a repository for you guys, and I'm going to share the link with you guys as well. Let me give you a little description of this. So what I have done, I have already spin up Postgres Aurora with Terraform. I'm not going to give all the details regarding the Terraform code and all this, but just a little bit. I've spin up a VPC and spin up the RDS Postgres latest version 13 dot, but the concept is same no matter which version you use of Postgres Aurora. So this is the deployment. So what I have done, I've already done the deployment to save your time. So you see my Postgres Aurora DB instance is available and the engine version is latest 13.6. You can use any version, maybe your version is 10 dot something or 18 or whatever. So the concept is same in a way that you should have able to connect with your Aurora Postgres. So what I've done in past, I already created a video with regard to the RDS Postgres, and the concepts are pretty much same, right? So okay, so what I've done, uh, let me show you the code first regarding the DockerCompose. If I navigate to the Terraform Postgres Aurora monitoring, if you navigate to the Postgres Aurora, this is the Terraform I already discussed. So in DockerCompose, what I have done, I mean, simply updated this endpoint of my Aurora writer instance. So that's it. And Docker Compose up -d, right? So I'm going to share both of the links regarding what we have done. So little description of this that there is a Prometheus running on 1990 and there is a Postgres exporter running on this port 9187. This is the one, and it is connected with our RDS Postgres Aurora, and it is sending the metrics into this localhost 3000. And one thing regarding this monitoring solution, guys, it is not limited to localhost. You can spin up EC2 machine and simply do Docker Compose up -d, and the credential area I already show you in the code that you should have access to your Postgres Aurora. So this is the password I've used, and this is the username, right? So it's pretty much simple thing, and this is the uh, Grafana dashboard I imported. So 9628, and you see all the metrics. This is now set to 6 hours. Let me simply move to 5 minutes and just update this to this, and I'm not really good or expert in this Grafana, but this is how simply you can simply import the already created dashboards, and you should be able to see your stats here and all the metrics regarding just like the Postgres RDS I show. So this time this is the AWS Aurora Postgres, and all the metrics are now available. And I'm, as I told you, to save the cost, I'm using localhost. I mean, I've already installed a Docker desktop on my local machine and running this, provided the required credential, and that's it. And same stuff you can do on EC2 machine as well. That is it, guys. If you like the video, please like and share and subscribe the channel. And I will add all the repository links in the video description, including this video as well. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.